A calm day at sea suddenly turns into a nightmare for a passing fishing vessel. Without warning, the water begins to swirl, forming a massive and dangerous ocean sinkhole. If you see this in the ocean, call for help fast. It will pull you in. The ship is dragged toward the center of the vortex, disappearing beneath the churning waves. Back on shore, the alarm is raised. A massive rescue mission begins immediately. The rescue team gathers at the docks, their faces etched with deep concern and focus. They deploy high-tech drones into the sky, scanning the vast, dark blue horizon. Boats speed across the water, their engines roaring against the silence of the sea. The team navigates the threatening phenomenon, watching the water for any sign of life. The drone operator monitors the screen, searching for clues amidst the swirling debris. Suddenly, a faint signal appears on the radar, suggesting someone might still be alive. The captain shouts, "Steer the boat toward those coordinates. We have a possible lead." They maneuver carefully, avoiding the outer edges of the powerful, rotating sinkhole. The sea remains unpredictable, with waves crashing violently against the rescue vessel's hull. A diver prepares to enter the water, tethered by a thick, reinforced safety line. He plunges into the depths, fighting the current to reach the submerged wreckage below. Through the murky water, he spots a glimmer of hope near a piece of debris. It is the missing person, clinging desperately to a floating crate for survival. The diver signals the surface. "I have found the survivor. Pull us up now." The crew on the boat works in unison, hauling the line with all their strength. Slowly, the diver and the survivor break the surface, gasping for fresh, cool air. They are pulled onto the deck, wrapped in blankets to ward off the cold. The survivor whispers, "I thought I was lost forever in that dark, spinning abyss." The captain smiles. "You are safe now. We never stopped searching for you." The rescue boat turns away, putting distance between them and the dangerous sinkhole. Behind them, the ocean sinkhole begins to lose its intensity, slowly settling down. The drones return to the ship, their mission data safely stored for further analysis. The team reflects on the narrow escape, knowing how close they came to tragedy. They head back to the harbor, the sun setting behind them in a golden glow. The rescue mission is a success, proving that courage and technology can overcome danger. Back at the port, families wait anxiously for news of their loved ones. As the boat docks, cheers erupt from the crowd gathered on the pier. The survivor is reunited with family, tears of relief streaming down their faces. The ocean remains a mystery, but today, humanity won a battle against nature. Experts vow to study the phenomenon to prevent such disasters from happening again. The sea is calm once more, hiding its secrets beneath the vast, blue surface.